Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make Kabuli chana. This is Kabuli chana. Today I am going to make this as chola. So I have taken half kg of this and soaked it. So it's become so much. So come on, let us start the recipe now. While making the curry, the chola, I will show you the ingredients. Put some oil. I have cut up onions this size, about 3 to 4 onions, small ones. Oil is turned hot. I will put in the onions. I have taken 3 bay leaves. I will put this in. I have taken garam masala, that is cinnamon sticks, cloves, about 4 to 5, and 4 cardamom, green cardamom. This also I will put in. Onions are almost done brown. Now I will put in the masalas. This is ginger, garlic, jeera and black pepper paste. Put some saffron. Put some chili powder according to your taste. Now I will brown the masalas. I have taken 2 big size tomato and cut up into small cubes. Now I'll put this in. Now I will put in the Kabuli chana. Put in the salt. Put in the water. Put the cover on and give it about 3 to 4 whistles. Chola is ready. Hot chola is ready. You can have it with parathas, puris, chapatis. Thank you for watching my video.